am back with another video, and I have been super busy with lots of different DIY horse related projects. And today I'm going to show you how to make a lucky horseshoe. Hello Awesome Equestrians! I'm Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make the most of the time that you have with your horse, start now by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. So since I'm not really able to do a whole lot right now while I'm recovering from surgery, I feel really good. I don't feel bad at all, but I can't do a lot. So I've been doing lots of little DIY projects. And this is what I wanted to show you guys today. I made some lucky horseshoes. Horseshoes are so much fun to do artsy-fartsy DIY stuff with. And my horses don't wear shoes, but at the Big R, which is the feed store where I buy my grain and stuff for my horses, they sell horseshoes and they're really affordable. So I got a pair of horseshoes for $3.99, and then I decorated them and made them look like this. So let's go step by step through the process of what I did to make a lucky horseshoe so you can make one too. What'd you think? That was pretty fun, right? Pretty easy too. You can make a whole bunch of different horseshoes in an afternoon if it's raining or you're bored and you want something to do. You could also even make these and sell them. That could potentially give you some extra money if you're trying to save up for a horse or lessons or saddle or whatever you want. But for me, I just wanted to do something fun, so I made this horseshoe for myself. And then this one was really fun to make too, and I actually made this horseshoe for Fallon Taylor. Yes, I'm a super fan of Fallon Taylor. And she motivates me, and she gives so much to all of us that watch her videos. If you watched a video earlier when I was talking about YouTube people that I love to watch and follow, she was one of them. But I just wanted to send this to her just to say thank you for the videos that she makes, because she inspires me and she's a really great positive role model. So I just wanted to give her something back. So I made Fallon Taylor a lucky horseshoe. I hope she gets it. Maybe she'll let me know she got it on a video. That would be awesome. I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it mainly just because I had some time to make some horseshoes, and I thought it would be fun to tell her thank you. And I appreciate what she does, and I know how much time it takes to make videos, and she puts a lot of effort into her videos, and I just wanted to tell her thank you. And if you'd like to learn more about my other DIY projects, product reviews, or how you can be a budget equestrian, start now by clicking the round subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, I am on my way to the post office. I'm taking my awesome horseshoe that I made, my good luck horseshoe that I made for Fallon Taylor, and I'm going to drive it to the post office, and hopefully she'll have it in just a couple of days. This is going to be fun. Done at the post office. My little package is on its way to Fallon Taylor in Texas, and I was able to stop and get something yummy for dinner too, so that was pretty fun. But I just wanted to do something neat for Fallon Taylor because she's just awesome, and I really like her, and I just love the way how positive she is on her vlogs, and she's just an inspiration to me and probably a lot of other people too. So thanks for watching this. I know this is different than what I usually do, but it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure did.